Oh, yeah. A little bit of pedaling. Yeah. So good. Side hustle. Been closed since the Palm cyclone. This is the fresh rebuild. Let's see how she goes. Thank you, Evergreen, for bringing this back. This trail is so sick. All right, here we go. Get the rain off. Cool. Oh, those are nice. Oh, this is big. Oh, that's incredible. Pretty sure my buddy makes that. Yeah, man. That was huge. Oh. Yeah. Oh, these berms. This is incredible. Oh, step down. Oh, that's insane. Oh, man. Oh, okay, that's pretty gnarly. Wow, so many trees went down over here. This looks like a reroute. I think it is. Oh. Remember, greasy probably. I'll probably go a smidge. Oh! Just immediately slid out. Whoa! All these trees. They're at. I will try to wipe the lens as much as I can, but it'd be raining. So I'll probably leave the lens unwiped through this kind of cross-country section, but I'll give her a wipe when we get to the jumps. So if you see some dots on the screen, ignore them for a minute, and then I'll give her a wipe. Yee! That's a really smooth little jump in there. That was fun. Starting to get pretty greasy condition-wise, so taking it a little easy because I'm not really used to this Mazda in the front of this bike. This came from a Max Grip DHF, so. Make sure I got the lens side. I think I did. All right. Make sure my buddy's behind me. Sweet. All right, this part will get spicy. Woohoo! Whoa, that's the flat. Oh, I forgot about this little one in here. Whoops. Right. Some speed going for the rest of these. Oh, these berms, man. So incredible. Poppy little jumps. So good. Such a good trail. Get towards the end here, towards the Iverson climb. Yeah, that side hustle. Holy moly, that rocks. So fun.